Now, the final critical issue that we need to emphasize related to Socratic definitions has to do with the objectivity of definitions, and we can't emphasize it sufficiently. Objective fact versus opinion. Remember, it's not a definition that you look up in the dictionary. The definition of a moral quality doesn't matter what people think. The whole world could think something, like the whole world could think that the world is flat. That doesn't make it true. The same thing, the whole world could think that, sodomizing little children is okay. That doesn't make it correct. You can't determine goodness, justice, piety, any of the virtues by having an election, having a poll, having people call people at home asking what their attitudes are. We don't care what people believe. Therefore, whether something or someone has a given moral quality is also not a matter of opinion. It's not you have your opinion, I have my opinion. We don't care what anybody's opinion is. That is, they're supposed to be objective. And whether an act or a person is good or just or pious, for example, isn't settled by a vote. It's not by what people think. It's not what's settled in a court of law by a jury deciding. It's what, in fact, is the case. So this is really very important. We're going to see these Socratic definitions lead Plato to something known as Plato's theory of forms. That is, Plato's forms are the models of what certain qualities are, moral qualities, and even just properties of objects. And these things exist. They're objective. They're what makes something true or false. And that is going to be his answer not only to the sophists, but also to the problem posed by Parmenides and Heraclitus. He's going to explain how there could be more than one thing to Parmenides, and he's going to be able to explain how you can know things even if everything is in a state of flux. And these forms, the successor to the Socratic definitions, are going to answer those questions.